Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Spencer's Factory Direct here in Ventura. What the heck is that thing? It's actually a tufting machine, which is a long lost art in the art of bed making. And today we're gonna go over why it's such an important part of making mattresses that last.
An introduction.
Yeah.
So what we'd like to show the viewers out there is something called what we call a tufting machine for hand tufting a bed. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day, beds were made with buttons in them, actual buttons. And what those buttons did was it held all the filling materials, the cottons, the wools, the natural filling materials together. You'd compress the bed and then punch a button through, and it held it in like a reverse tension. So reverse tension is kind of good because it gives you good back support, and it makes it'll make the bed last 10, 20, 30% longer than not tufting. It's just today, Joe, it's an expensive process. It's hand done. It takes us an hour to do one mattress. So
can we maybe see what it's like?
Sure, yeah. What this does, Joe?
Yeah.
Is this? Yeah, there you go. Is this compresses all your springs in here, all your filling materials. So watch how this works. It's really kind of unique. We're going to take this air compression and we're going to bring it down. Just keep taking it down further. All right.
Whoa.
So we took a mattress down to about 6 inches. So now it's all compressed and all those are lined up to put our buttons through. Now we're going to turn the table. We're going to flip it. It does this. Ready? Here we go. Starting to flip slowly. Can you see this okay on?
Oh yeah, it looks great.
Okay. So now I know the camera's on a stationary stand there or a tripod, but so now each one of these is our preset spots where we're going to actually tuft the mattress. And if Franklin or one of us want to do this, it's done by hand. This is called a tufting needle right here. And what we do is we take our runner line right here and we insert it in the needle like this, and then we lock it in with this little switch. And then we put, this is a wool, what we call a rosette or a button. And you know what's funny is when you see them on the beds, a lot of the customers will look at it on the showrooms and think, oh, I'm going to feel that, but you don't feel it whatsoever. You don't feel it, you visually see it, but you don't feel it. So now,
Because it's actually soft.
it's very soft, it's
Yeah.
wool, you can feel it, it's just wool. Sometimes in polyester, but we like wool, natural. And I'm gonna put this through the bed here. I'm just gonna do one, just to give you an idea as to what we do. So we pop it through the center, right here. All your filling materials, it's compressed. Hold the button, and we put it in like that, and then we release. And so now that's in there. I'm gonna do one down here, so when we bring it back up, Joe, I'm gonna show you what happens. So do we have yeah, we're gonna need a felt. I know this is a little longer video, but it's kind of interesting. More than anything, it holds all the filling materials together. And I'm gonna put one down at the bottom here so we can show you close up what happens. And he's gonna go around and put the other side on. So we have that. He's gonna put on the other side, we put a little felt blocker down here on the bottom. See how it's hanging?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and up here we did that one as well. It just slips right on. So now we're gonna bring that camera around, we're gonna flip it back up and show you how the process works.
All right.
So let's, here we go. Okay, so now you're level again. And we're gonna take it up now. Take it all the way up. A little bit more here. There we go. It's stuck.
Very cool.
Okay. So now we're going to take, just show you what happened here. Here's the mattress. We're going to pull it out, Joe. And we're just going to flip it sideways here so you can take a look at it visually. if you want, we'll stand it up on the ground right here in the light. And so here's a button tuft right here. So you can see where it compressed the bed. It holds all your filling materials, and we're going to do a series of them throughout the whole bed. So you do the whole mattress, you get it done. It takes about an hour, and then you have a really nice tufted bed. It'll last you another 5-10 years if it's done right. Put the right filling materials in there. So hand tufting.
Well, great.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for teaching us that, because I had no idea. And
Yeah, most people don't know about it, but it's something to look for when you buy a new mattress. And if you want to come into our showroom, it's in Ventura, and you can call us. The phone number is 805-658-2866, and ask for Jimmy or I, and we're there to help you and show you exactly what we do to our mattresses.
And you can also press the button right below, and that'll take you right to the number, and you can get in touch with us directly.
Go on our website, whatever.
Yeah, on the website, we are available. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, Franklin.